Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. In today's class, we will continue learning Block 1 My World. Already we learnt about our personal things and later we learnt about the personal choices. Today's class, we will learn about feelings. See the topic, My Feelings. You can see the picture. 4 people standing and they are holding something in their hand. You can see that each picture they are holding shows the feeling what do they have. The faces show the feeling what do they have. Generally, what are the different feelings we have, children? Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are sad, and sometimes even we are angry. Let us see what else we can learn about our feelings. Let us get started, children. Aim of today's class is, we already know that we have different feelings. Today we will learn how to show our feelings in different situations. That's what, so in different situation, how are we going to show our feelings? That's what we are going to learn today. So let us get started, children. See the key word for today's class: emotion. How one feels. So the feeling, the happiness or sadness or jealousy or angry or whatever the different feelings what we have, these are called as our emotion. So emotion means what? How one feels. EMOTION. Emotion means how one feels. Now we will, as usual, we will start the today's activity to learn about the feelings what do we have. So sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are sad, sometimes we are angry. So it depends upon the situation what we are in. So here I will share you one chart. In your rough book, in your rough notebook or your EVS notebook also, you can take and you can write EVS heading and today's date, and what I am asking you to do, you will be doing in that, children. Let us get started. See here you can see some pictures. When you carefully observe, see the first picture. The boy there is running back of the dog, and he is not simply running to play. He is having a stick in his hand, and by that you can understand that he is teasing. That is, he is simply make fun of the animal and he is disturbing the animal. So in such situation, when you see that, how will you feel, children? How will you feel? You are not going to draw the boy or dog in the rough book. Just you will write, or you can draw the face. How you will feel? You will feel happy or sad or angry when you see that someone is teasing the animals. Next, you see your friend. When you both were playing, suddenly he broke the toys. So in such situation, what will you do? How will you feel? Just you can draw the happy face or the sad face or the angry face, how you will feel in such type of situation. The third one, you see the boy is happily, he is opening one nice notebook and he is tearing the papers. So when you see that, you are not the one doing that, you are seeing that, how will you feel? You will be happy or sad or angry or jealous, or what type of emotion you will have, that you can draw it. Just to draw a circle, 2 dots you keep as eye, and you can show the smiling or angry or crying. Try to do that, or else you can write with simple words: happy, sad, angry. Happy spelling you want to write HAPPY, happy. Sad, SAD, sad. Angry, ANGRY. So in first situation, the boy is teasing the dog. What is going to be your emotion? Second situation, your friend has broken your favorite toy. What is your emotion? Third situation is your friend or someone is tearing the books, tearing the notebooks and spoiling it. So how will you feel? Just you can write the 3 words, or you can draw the face, children. Which is comfortable for you, you can do that. So now what do you feel about each picture? That's what we were we are discussing. So when somebody is doing like this, some of us hate, no, if that boy is seeing the boy is teasing, so we'll hate it, we get angry, yes or not, because what he is doing is not a right thing, he is harming and teasing the animal. Some of us feel angry that the boy snatches the book and tears the pages. See the situation where the boy is tearing the books, so you will feel angry. Some of us feel sad that a friend broke the toy. When our friends or a sibling or somebody breaks our toy, we will feel very sad. All of these feelings like sadness, anger and hatred are called emotions. So these are the feelings what we have, and they are called our emotions. Now, what would you do if you were present in each scene shown in the picture? So now they are saying you are in the each picture. So you are seeing in the each picture, you are seeing that. So what will you, how will you react? What will you will be your reaction? That's what they are asking you. Yes. So the first picture, I hope that you might have drawn angry. Yes. Second situation, definitely you will feel sad when the toy is broken. Third situation, I hope that definitely we will get angry, or we will feel angry that he is spoiling the books. So what else can we do, children? So can we stop the boy teasing the animal? Yeah, we can tell him not to do so, because it is not a good habit to harm animals or anybody else. Same way we can tell to our friend not to behave like that when we are playing, not to break the toy, and instead of crying, we can overcome that feeling and we can forgive him, and we can tell him not to do the next time, not to do. So when somebody is tearing the papers, we can tell him it is a very bad habit of tearing the papers and spoiling it, and we can try to correct him instead of getting angry and shouting. What can be done? That's what I would have, if you are there. So as I told you, you are there. So you are there, the boy and the dog, you are there in that situation. What you will do instead of that boy's action is, see, what you might have done. Very good. I would have petted the dog instead of teasing it. Very good, children. And if my friend breaks the toy I like, I would forgive my friend and say it's okay, rather than being sad about it. I will also say we will be more careful while playing with toys. So instead of getting angry, shouting, fighting, even we can deal the situation like, it's okay, next time please let us not, you will not do that. Next, I would politely tell him what we should not snatch or tear the pages, instead of being angry with him when someone is tearing the papers. Some emotions like love, happiness are good. We should show such emotions. If suppose a birthday party, you are happy and all surrounding you will be happy. You are showing the love to the others, the love is spreading, and these all are the happy emotions. But sometimes when we hurt others, harm others, that is a bad emotion. That emotion is also spreading. So we should always try to spread the good emotions, not the bad emotions. Let us see what is given in our content book, children. Yeah, children, in the content book, you also can take this page, lesson 3, my feelings, and you can try to read it, or you can take the help of your parents, and you can try to listen and understand what is given. We sometimes feel happy, sometimes sad, and sometimes angry. All these feelings are called emotions. That's what we are discussing now. Some emotions like happiness, excitement, and love are good. Such emotions make others happy. You can see the picture, how happy the children are, and the happiness will spread to others also. These all are the good emotions. Some emotions like anger, hate, fear, and jealousy. Jealousy means somebody is having something when we don't have, we will start feeling thinking bad about them, and that is called as jealousy, and that is also one of the feeling, but it is a bad emotion, children. Such emotions can hurt others. We should control bad emotions. Bad emotions can harm us or others. They can spoil our relationships with our loved ones. You can see the meaning of the words emotion. State of feeling. Jealousy means a feeling of unhappiness because someone has something. Even in this picture you can see, as one boy, he lost The other one, he should not behave like that. Hey, I won, and he is like teasing, or it is not at all a good emotion to make fun of others' defeat. So this is all good emotions and bad emotions you have to understand, and you should try to follow the good emotions. Children, let us see this picture. You see here harmful emotions, see, which are, or other words we can call as bad emotions. Fearing also one of the bad emotion. Anger, see that child how she is standing angrily. Jealousy, feeling something bad about others when we don't have and when they have something, that is also not good, children. Now let us see what are the good emotions. See here, loving, showing the love to the previous situation. Instead of teasing the dog, that boy can show love towards it, no? And you see happiness, and gratitude means thankfulness. Someone did something, we have to be thankful to them. Your parents does something, they give you something, you have to be thankful. That is called as gratitude. Good emotions and bad emotions. See, let us see the different emotions. Now you see that, children. Love, happiness, thankfulness. The next one is angry, jealousy, and fear. So by now you all know that among these, which are good emotions and which are the emotions which we have to control. Yes, no, children. So one more thing, you see how to show the emotion. Thank if someone helps you. Show love to everyone. Show happy face even if you dislike anything. Even though if you dislike, you should not spread that disliking nature to all and make others also to get hurt by our feeling. So we should show the happy face, and so that the others will be surrounding us, our loved ones will be happy. Yes, children. Now let us see what is given in our workbook. So open the 2.3, my feelings. Please write the date. See, just you are going to tick it. Understand what I am saying, just to listen to me, and then later you can do it on your own, children. Tick the correct person. Who looks happy? See there, Sid or Sia. Yeah, very good. I hope that you can know correctly and you will tick near Sia. Question 2. Tick the emotion that you should show in these cases. First one, when your parents give you a surprise gift, you have to tick about the correct answer, children. You have to be thankful to them. Thankfulness, or you should show the anger. Think and tick it. B1, when you have a fight with your best friend, you will feel sad or you will feel happy. Think and tick, children. When you go out for a picnic, you will be happy or you will be angry. Yes, we will be happy. No, children. Correctly, you tick above the word. B question. Write what you should do if your friend is not happy with you. You be thinking about that. I'll discuss. Sia has scored well in the class. Read how her classmates show their emotions. Tanu is saying, thank you for helping me to study, Sia. Sam is telling, I don't like that you scored more than me. So what is Tanu's feelings, children? What is the emotion she is showing? She is thanking. So thankfulness. Is it good emotion or bad emotion? Very good. Now see the Sam, good emotion. Tanu is showing the good emotion. What about Sam, children? I don't like that you scored more than me. What is that? Jealousy, and it is a bad emotion. Now you see the question. Again I read. Sia has scored well in the class. Read how her classmates show their emotions. Who is showing bad emotion here? Very good, Sam. Write one effect of showing bad emotion. So what happens when we show the bad emotion? One B question, and here B question. Second one, write what you should do if your friend is not happy with you. So for this we will discuss something. I'll say, children, see that we should not get angry or fight. Why, children? Because we may hurt, that will hurt ourselves also. We won't be happy when we are fighting with someone, and also it may hurt others. We may also hurt the person with whom we fight. That is why we should not spread the bad emotions. So what can we write for these two questions, children? Now can you say me what can be written now for these questions? The B1, now you say me, write what you should do if your friend is not happy with you. Can you make her happy by doing something? I'll make her happy by doing what she likes or what he likes. I will do what he likes. Simple words you can write. Now you tell me B question. Write one effect. Any one effect means what will happen. Showing a bad emotion. It hurts others. Simple 3 word. It hurts others. It hurts. It hurts you and it hurts other people also. So simple words you put and you complete the worksheet as usual, children. Now we'll move on to our practice question. As I told you, to learn better we need to practice better. That's why these practice questions are given in your content book. Let us see how to do that. Circle the good feelings. See there: anger, jealousy, happiness, thankfulness, sadness and love. Which all are good feelings here, children? Think and correct, circle it. Will you do it? Happiness you will be circling, I know that. Thankfulness you will be circling. Love you will be circling. And I know that anger, jealousy and sadness are not good feelings. Draw a face to show how you would feel when you get all maths some correct in the max. So you got everything correct. How will you feel? That's what I mean to draw, no? First activity. When you fall sick, how will be? Yes. So here only you can draw, but now you all are able to take the book. So better you do in the rough book where we did the activity. Down to that you can write the answers for these questions also, children. Tina's brother breaks her pen. How will her brother feel? If Tina scolds him, Tina forgives him. So some by mistake he is broke. If Tina scold him, how he will feel? Tina forgives him, how he will feel? So I told you, in every situation we can go for a better option. Instead of getting angry and spreading that bad emotion, we can forgive and we can spread the good emotion. So you think and complete this as I told you in the rough book, children. Hope that you understood the complete lesson, my feelings, and you know now what are good emotions, what are bad emotions, and also you know that anger, such type of emotion, should be controlled because it will hurt you and hurt others. And good emotions, always it will spread joy to all, and always we should be thankful, and gratitude also should be shown to show our love and affection. So to understand very well what you should do, children, you will open the content book, read that part 2 times, then you will complete the worksheet and you will see the activity what we did. We draw the happy face, no, for the 3 situations, that you think and recollect it, what we have, why we have done it, so that you will understand the lesson better. Let us meet in the next class, children. Bye bye, children.